WordPress hack easily. You're checking how to hack you this. So we are using this file, so no one can, or any WordPress security plugin cannot understand what is this file and how this is working. So you are easily hack this. So just click here and go the file, click this. This is the file, our website name, and this is file.php. When you hit this URL, so go to the admin dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. This is the admin dashboard and the WordPress. So this simple file, but you this can hack anybody your website. This is the admin URL. When you click the user role, so this is the admin URL. So this is the username also. This is the administrator. So how this is working here, so check this. So first load here, then click, then check, then check, then check. So firstly at least check this user, then the role is administrator, user registered SASC, ordered by SC, and administrator, who is administrator. So then log in this administrator ID, mention op cookies and use cookies, then lock the site URL, op login, everything, then admin URL, then locked, then user or user 0, or if nothing then time. So this is the simple file, only 40 under the 50 line. So this can hack your website, the WordPress website easily hacked. Just click this the file, and when the hit this URL, when hit the file, then this so you have to understand. So unnecessary plugin, so untrusted plugin, so this untrusted plugin or GPU plugin or paid plugin and free null plugin, you should avoid using this plugin. So this the plugin have this type login access, which can hack your WordPress website easily. So thank you, I hope you had understood. So I am deleting this file from here. So anyone can hack this website by logging this here, so deleting this file. So now I hope it is the okay for. So I hope this is okay for here. So thank you.